Yo my sweet friends, welcome to Smartphone Buzz USA. Where specs are spicy, and we slay all day. Phones so fresh, they'll blow your mind. Smash that subscribe, don't get left behind. We got jokes, we got facts, tech with flair. Stick around, we'll take you there. Alright, folks, let's talk about a phone that's so good, it might just replace your best friend. This beauty measures 163.0 into 77.6 into 8.3 millimeters and weighs 227 grams. That's heavy enough to feel premium but light enough not to break your wrist. The titanium frame, grade 5, no less, is wrapped in Corning glass, front and back, because regular glass just won't cut it. And with IP68 certification, it's basically a phone and a scuba diver. Take it underwater up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, and it'll still text you, "I'm fine." The display. Oh, it's a stunner. A 6.90-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED screen with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Watching Netflix. It's HDR10 and Dolby Vision certified, so every pixel pops. Need brightness. With 2000 nits peak, this phone laughs at the sun. Resolution. 1320 into 2868 px, sharp enough to see the atoms on your photos. And the always-on display. It's like your phone's saying, "I'm awake, are you?" Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Apple A18 Pro chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it's got a hexa-core CPU that hits speeds up to 4.04 GHz. Gaming or multitasking. The 6-core GPU and 8GB of RAM handle it with ease. Storage options go up to 1TB, so go ahead, download all those cat videos. Now, let's talk cameras, because what's a phone without a killer selfie? The rear setup includes a 48-megapixel main lens with sensor shift OIS for when your hands are shakier than your Wi-Fi. A 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, because why walk closer? A 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens for group shots where no one gets cropped out. And for depth, the TOF 3D lidar scanner makes sure your photos have layers. The front camera is a 12-megapixel shooter with OIS and SL3D depth sensor. Translation: you're always Insta-ready. Video capabilities. Next level. Shoot in 4K at 120 FPS with Dolby Vision HDR, your TikToks just went Hollywood. Selfies. 4K at 60 FPS, smooth and stunning. And yes, it records spatial 3D video and audio, so you can relive the moment in surround sound. Battery life is no joke either. A 4685 mAh battery that charges to 50% in 30 minutes with PD 2.0. Wireless charging. You've got 25-watt MagSafe, 15-watt Qi 2, and even reverse wired charging for your gadgets. Connectivity. It's a buffet. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and eSIM support. And it comes with Face ID, ultra-wideband Gen 2, and even emergency SOS via satellite. Basically, this phone could save your life while streaming YouTube. So, is this the ultimate smartphone? Let me know in the comments. That's the breakdown, specs on fire. This phone's so hot, it'll never expire. Hit that subscribe, join the hype train. On Smartphone Buzz USA, it's never mundane. Drop a like, share your thoughts. What features your fave? Spill the sauce. This is Smartphone Buzz USA, where smartphones meet swagger. See you in the next drop, stay techie. Thanks for watching, see you again very soon.